A guide to baby purees, from fruits to veggies. In this video, we'll explore some nutritious and delicious puree options for your little one. Here are some fruit purees that are both tasty and packed with essential nutrients. 1. Apple Puree. Easy to digest and rich in fiber, apple puree is a great first food for babies. 2. Banana Puree. High in potassium and vitamin C, banana puree is another excellent choice for babies. 3. Pear Puree. Pear Puree is gentle on a baby's stomach and high in fiber. 4. Papaya Puree. Ideal for babies 6 months and older, papaya puree is rich in vitamin A and C. 5. Mango Puree. Packed with vitamins A and C, mango puree is suitable for babies who are 6 to 8 months old. 6. Strawberry Puree. Strawberry puree is a good source of antioxidants and vitamin C. It's best introduced when your baby is 8 months or older due to potential allergies. 7. Apple Banana Puree. A mix of apple and banana puree provides a variety of nutrients and a new flavor profile for your baby to explore. Vegetable purees. Vegetable purees are a fantastic way to introduce your baby to different flavors and nutrients. 1. Carrot Puree. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A. Carrot puree is a nutritious and sweet-tasting option for babies. 2. Pumpkin Puree. Pumpkin puree is rich in vitamins A and C, making it a healthy choice for your baby. 3. Sweet Potato Puree. Sweet potatoes are high in vitamins A and C. Their natural sweetness makes sweet potato puree a hit with babies. 4. Broccoli Puree. Broccoli is high in fiber and vitamin C. Its distinct flavor is a good way to expand your baby's palate. 5. Potato Puree. Potatoes are high in vitamin C and potassium. Potato puree is a versatile base that can be mixed with other purees. 6. Spinach Puree. Spinach is a superfood that's high in iron and calcium. Spinach puree is a nutrient-dense option for babies 8 months and older. 7. Avocado Puree. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, which are essential for your baby's development. Its creamy texture makes avocado puree a favorite among babies. Remember, every baby is different, so it's important to introduce new foods gradually and watch for any signs of allergies. Happy feeding!